Safe operation of your Steiger Series tractor is important not only for your well-being, but for those around you as well. Before you begin work of any kind, make sure that you are familiar with the safety information and rules in your operator's manual, and with the location and operation of all controls. It's also a good idea to check the actual function of the controls before starting work, too. Find an open area away from coworkers and operate each control separately. This can also help you to understand the capacities and load limitations for your machine. It is vitally important to understand these limits and operate within them. Safety decals are located at critical points around your machine. Make sure that you read them before operation and that you keep them in legible condition for others who might operate or work around your tractor. If decals are destroyed or damaged, your dealer can provide replacements. Articulation cylinder locking blocks are provided with your tractor. These blocks are to be installed on the rod end of both articulation cylinders to keep the tractor rigid. Articulation blocks must be used when you perform service work near the center of the tractor, when lifting or transporting the tractor on another vehicle, or when operating stationary PTO equipment. Be sure to remove the blocks and reinstall them in the storage position before you attempt to steer the tractor. For safe cab entry and exit, always face the tractor and use the handrails and steps, always maintaining 3 points of contact. Once you're in the cab, securely fasten the seatbelt by placing the metal eye of the belt into the buckle until it locks, and adjust the belt to a comfortable position as low on your body as possible. To release, push the button in the center of the buckle and remove the metal eye. Never operate your tractor without first fastening your seatbelt. An operator presence safety switch is designed into the park forward neutral reverse and PTO electrical circuits. This switch is activated when you sit on the seat. Do not attempt to bypass this switch. Serious injury could result. To increase road operation safety, your tractor is equipped with flashing warning lights, turn signals, tail brake lights, optional strobe lights, and a slow-moving vehicle symbol. Egress lighting is also standard, allowing you to exit the tractor under lit conditions. A light over the top step in the cab roof illuminates the steps, allowing you to exit the cab safely. Make sure that all lamps are working properly and that your SMV sign is in good condition before you drive on any road. If the SMV signage is faded or damaged, replace it. It serves as an identification aid to approaching drivers. The flashing amber warning lights and optional beacon lights must be used anytime you operate on the road, day or night. When towing an implement or wagon with the tractor, the entire rear area warning system must be easily seen by drivers approaching from the rear. If the implement blocks the rear warning light system, or if it extends more than 4 feet to the left or 4 feet behind the hitch, the implement warning lights must be used. Any time that you tow equipment on a highway, use a safety chain with a rating greater than the gross load of the towed equipment. Before you begin, make sure you leave enough chain length to allow for turns.